147 Metro Parkway, Suite 105, Sterling Heights, Michigan 48310. الميل السادس عشر وراين يتحدثون العربية والكلدانية. 248-283-7000. أعزائي المستمعين، مرة أخرى وعودة أخرى مع برنامجنا الممتع والمفيد الهجرة اليوم، ومعنا على الهواء المحامي جلال دلو. أهلا وسهلا أستاذ جلال. I can't hear you.
How is now? Hello everybody.
شلونك؟ كيف الصحة؟
I'm great, thank you. I hope all of our listeners are doing great.
That's great. طبعا المحامي جلال محامي مختص بجميع قضايا اللاجئين في أمريكا، جميع معاملات اللجوء الجنسية، أيضا الجرين كارد، جميع معاملات الرفض، معاملات السحب، أيضا لم الشمل من جميع أنحاء العالم لكافة الأعمار. المحامي جلال يهتم بجميع القضايا والمشاكل الجنائية من جرائم وجنح، ويعالج أي قضية تحتاج الوقوف أمام المحاكم. جميع قضايا المخدرات، السرقة، الطلاق، الأخطاء الطبية، حوادث السيارات، السقوط، فيزا زواج، زيارة، أيضا الدرنك درايف تيكت والترافيك تيكت، يتحدثون العربية الكلدانية وأيضا اللغة الإنجليزية اعتيادي، ولديهم مترجمين. زوروا المحامي جلال دلو على الميل السادس عشر وراين، اللي هو على 4147 مترو باركواي، سويت 105 في ستيرلينغ هايتس، اللي راح ينتقل يوم 1 بالشهر، راح يكون أكتوبر 1 بمكان ثاني. راح نعطيكم العنوان إن شاء الله أعزائي، ونبدل الإعلان، وراح يكون أما التليفون راح يبقى نفس التليفون same phone number which is 248-283-7000. يعني ما راح يتغير شيء، تخابرون على 248-283-7000. طبعا أي واحد عنده سؤال، عنده استفسار، يقدر يتصل بنا الآن على 586-825-2015 586-825-2015. أي واحد عنده سؤال، عنده استفسار، المحامي جلال دلو موجود ويانا يجاوب على كل أسئلتكم، إن كانت immigration، إن كانت قضايا جرائم، إن كانت الأخطاء الطبية، ويجاوبكم على كل أسئلتكم. Yes, Mr. Dallo, new week and nice smile.
Thank you very much. That was a great introduction, Sahar. It's great seeing you again. Mm-hmm. And hello to all of our listeners. Yeah, it's been. We have another new week. Yes. We have clients that are coming in. They need help with immigration, with criminal. They were injured. We know who to connect them with. So we've had such a wonderful week helping out people, as much as possible.
طبعا يقول يرحب بكم اعتيادي، ويقول خلال هذا الاسبوع كان اسبوع حافل بالقضايا، الاصابات، وايضا قضايا الاميجريشن، والمكتب دائما في خدمه كل ابناء جاليتنا الاكارم، طبعا اعتيادي. يس، طبعا اي واحد عنده سؤال مثل ما قلنا استفسار يقدر يتصل. احنا عادتنا في هذا البرنامج اللي صار له عده سنوات انت تسال والمحامي جلال يجاوب. واذا اكو اشياء جديده دائما يقولها الاستاذ جلال. Is there anything new in such last week?
Well, nothing different from last week, but I do want to remind all of our listeners that for your naturalization, so your citizenship application, the government is increasing their fees to about $1,100.
We'll talk about it after phone.
Sure, yeah.
طبعا إذاعة صوت الله تفضلوا.
Hi, how you doing?
Hello, sir.
We're great, thank you.
أهلا وسهلا. تحب تسأل سؤال الأستاذ جلال؟ تفضل.
نعم.
تفضل.
ممكن أقول بالعربي ولا بالإنجليزي؟
بالإنجليزي إذا تريد بعد أحسن.
Anything you like.
مثل ما تحب.
I got my brother-in-law. He's divorced from the United States. His father, he was a citizen and he passed away from time ago. And his mom, she is a citizen and he divorced her in 2018. Then he went to, we are from Yemen originally, and Yemen, he cannot go back to Yemen because, I don't know what it's called in English.
I'm having a hard time hearing.
Yeah, there's hard. You can't hear him?
Yeah, I'm having a hard time hearing him. It sounds like it's just through the studio. It's coming in.
أنت بالنسبة لك إذا شوف الصوت عندك بالسيارة أنت ولا إيش؟
لا أنا في العمل.
بالعمل لأنه صوت مو واضح.
Okay.
But keep going. If you can just raise your voice a little bit so the
يعني
listeners.
صوتك عيد السؤال على السريع بس شنو شوية ابتعد عن الصوت اللي موجود بالمكاين.
ما فيش عندي صوت.
Okay تفضل.
Okay, anyway,
Yes.
my brother-in-law, he deported in 2018. Yemen, he have a problem. His mother is U.S. citizen. His father is U.S. citizen, but he passed away.
He passed away, yeah.
Okay, and then he cannot go back to Yemen, but he is right now. I think they put him in, because he just break the visa. He stay longer than usual. And then he deported to, now he is in Ethiopia, but they give him like asylum or something like that. That is going to affect him. His sister, she applied for him and he got approved to come back. But that when he got approved for asylum in Ethiopia, do you think that is going to affect his situation coming back to United States or no?
Why they deport him? بس سؤال ليش طلعوا؟
Because he break the visa.
He stayed more than.
He overstayed.
Yeah.
He overstayed his visa,
like
so they.
24 years.
Yeah. So he overstayed his visa, and they removed him.
Yes.
And now he's back where? Back in Yemen?
No, he went to Ethiopia and he applied there for asylum.
Okay, he applied there for asylum to have asylum there.
There,
he approved him for asylum, but he got approved to come back to United States through his sister.
Oh, he did.
Can affect him?
I don't know the case.
I will tell you, Mr. Dallo. His sister, she petitioned for him.
Yeah.
This is one.
I understand that.
He applied for asylum. Here they approved him for asylum. Is this will fix his case about the deportation?
He's got something else that's happening. He's got two cases that are pending. He cannot have them both pending. There's you gotta do the right thing to fix this. You gotta do it the right way. Don't mess it up. If you choose the wrong one, it will affect the case.
Volunteer.
Okay. The asylum was for Ethiopia.
Yeah, that's what I understand.
The United States, the embassy of the United States in Ethiopia, they will not say that he got asylum in Ethiopia, that he is in safe place. He will not approve him to come back. This is my question.
No. The sister's petition is not related to asylum. So even if he has asylum in Ethiopia or whatever, then he can still, receive a petition here. But it does make things more complicated. So you're asking me to sort of guess at what's going on at something that sort of like is not my case. I would have to investigate the case, look at the paperwork, and see what's going on. Because right now I would just be giving you a guess, like, oh yeah, he'll be fine. Like I don't know, because now he's in Ethiopia and it's complicating it even more.
هي الخربطة صارت في اثيوبيا. الاستاذ العزيز اتصور اذا تتصل بالمحامي جلال تشرح له بالضبط. Yeah, you have his number and call him. He will explain to you and you will explain to him. You will sit with him. He will clear everything.
Okay, great. Yeah.
Okay, Habibi. Thank you. Yes, Mr. Dallo, you was talking about the naturalization, about...
so the fees have gone up.
Yeah.
The fees have gone up a lot. There's like $1,100.
They're making it double?
It's not double because it used to be like $725.
طبعا بالنسبة للرسوم كانت 720 صارت 1000 و 1000.
About 1,100. It's 1,100. So about $400. It's gone up.
This is for what? For
citizenship.
Citizenship. What about the green card?
The green card, we're that's what I'm talking about in just naturalization right now. Green card, we haven't received notice that it's gone up, but the fee waiver is getting harder to get, and the medical forms have become more detailed, asking for more detail. So things have to be, I would say, filled out and really paid attention to by a professional, not just anybody.
طبعا بالنسبه مثل ما سمعتوا المحامي جلال يقول بالنسبه للاسعار، بالنسبه للفيز مال تقديم الجنسيه كانت بال 700 صارت 1100 وشويه، يعني صارت $400 فرق زياده. هاي وحده. يقول بالنسبه للقضايا الطبيه ايضا الريبورتس هذه هم صارت شويه بها صعوبه، لكن لازم يكون عندك محامي بروفيشنال حتى يملي لك الاستمارات بطريقه جيده جدا، حتى انه تبقى نفس الطريقه اللي تقدم بها الجنسيه حتى تاخذ الجنسيه الامريكيه. لازم يكون عندك يعني الاستماره تكون 100%، الابلكيشن يكون بمحامي بروفيشنال، يعني قد تسوي لك اياه مو او انت تسويه او اي واحد اخر، الا محامي مو شرط الا يعني جلال، لكنه محامي بروفيشنال. Yes, Mr. Dallo.
Yeah. So
this is about
this is just some of the little changes. Yeah,
yes.
Some of the little changes. The USCIS office is opened up. I was just there this morning. They are doing interviews. They're doing them much slower. Not as many people there. They're trying to be safe, but they're opening back up little by little.
طبعا بالنسبه للمقابلات موجوده، لكن يقول قليل. لكن يعني بالنسبه بس قضايا السيفتي، يعني بس على مود الكورونا، لكنه مفتوحه اعتيادي اي واحد اللي يقدم بالنسبه للجنسيه، بالنسبه للجرين كارد، بالنسبه لكل المعاملات كلها مفتوحه الان في ميشيغان، يعني احتيادي. Okay, Mr. Dallo, we want to go back to some other issues about tickets, about drunk drive tickets.
Yeah, sure. No
we
problem.
Always, every 3-4 weeks, we talk about these.
We should, yeah.
Yeah, we have to talk about everything,
Yeah, if anybody has any questions, I'm going to talk a little bit about it, but if anybody has any questions about driving issues, traffic, drunk driving, this is something that I go to court. I represent people all the time on. We are very fortunate in these cases. So go ahead. Yes.
Go ahead. No.
Okay. So I would, because of that, I want you to know that if you have something like that, when you call me, the conversation with me is confidential. The public does not need to know this conversation that we have. We take care of it. I take care of you. And I know that you'll be happy with our service. We do the best. We work very hard, and I know you'll be happy.
طبعا يقول استاذ جلال كل المعاملات، كل التليفونات، كل الشغلات اللي تصير بين الكلاينت وبين المحامي جلال هي كل السريه، ويعني ما حد يعرف بها بس هو والستاف مالته طبعا اعتيادي لانه يشتغلون وياه، لكن كون مطمئن هو بالنسبه للترافيك تيكت او ترانك درايف تيكت، هذه اختصاص ايضا، يقدر يقول عده معاملات عنده من هالنوع. دائما تنجح القضايا عنده. بالنسبه لها القضايا طبعا هي حسب الشخص، حسب الحادثه، حسب التيكت اللي تعرفه. دائما المحامي جلال هو في خدمه ابناء جاليتنا، يتحدثون طبعا اللغه العربيه، اللغه الكردانيه واللغه الانجليزيه. المكتب بالنسبه للمحامي جلال راح ينتقل يوم 1 أكتوبر 1 راح ينتقل المكتب الى مكان اخر. What's the new address, Mr. Dallo?
The new address is 36700 Woodward Avenue, Suite 103, and that's in Bloomfield Hills, 48304.
جيد. العنوان الجديد اللي انطانا اياه هسه، لكنه احنا راح يكون هذا الاعلان بالاعلان مالته ان شاء الله خلال هذا الاسبوع، حتى بالنسبه لنا ما باقي له حوالي 13-14 يوم راح ينتقل المكتب من مكان الى مكان اخر. طبعا اعتيادي نفس رقم تليفونه اللي هو 248-283-7000 248-283-7000. اي واحد عنده سؤال، عنده استفسار الان يقدر يتصل بنا على 586-825-2015 586-825-2015. We need some details about car accident and I have a
Yeah.
question before this.
Sure.
We hear many people talk about insurance, the insurance that they reduce the insurance.
Yeah.
Can you explain this to our listeners? Because some people, they think that if they reduce it, that means they will gain money or whatever. But it goes with the policy.
Yeah. So I'm so glad you mentioned that,
Yes.
Sahar, because the insurance, now you have different options.
Yes.
Before, you had coverage for catastrophic or comprehensive. Now you can elect not to get that coverage. But I was the one of the attorneys that I trust that does insurance claims. They do personal injury, the whole law firm. This is what they do.
Yes.
They cannot believe that this is happening, because now people who, if you want to save money, a couple dollars a month, you're going to lose catastrophic hospital. You like, let's say you get just the $250,000 or something. Do you know how fast this can go in a hospital? It's ridiculous. And so I recommend for all of us, when you renew your policy, please choose the catastrophic coverage, because if anything happens to you or your family, you're going to be in a much better situation if you choose the catastrophic plan. I think it's called comprehensive.
Yes.
But if you get that plan, that's better. Don't choose the ones that they don't cover you in the hospital or something like that. You need that one. We all
have to have insurance.
We have to, but now don't choose the cheapest one. You don't want to risk this. And we all think nothing's going to happen to me. Nothing's going to happen to me.
No,
you
it
don't
happens.
know.
Nobody
you don't know. Afia, you don't know. Please protect yourself. If it's going to cost you an extra $25 or $50 a month, please do it. It's worth it. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Yes.
طبعا بالنسبه سؤالنا كان بالنسبه لقضايا الانشورنس، دائما نسمع بالراديوات، نسمع بالتلفزيون انه خفضوا الانشورنس وصار، لكن مثل ما يقول الاستاذ جلال، هي صح خفضوا، لكن صار عندك عده اشياء، 1 2 3 4. اكو شيء مثلا بس تدفع المينيمم، لكن ما يسوي لك كفر مستشفى، ما يسوي لك كفر حادث، ما يسوي اكو مثلا. لكن دائما يقول لك اختار شيء العالي، $25 $30 $50 ما راح تاثر لما انت لا سمح الله يصير عندك حادث. اذا دفعوا لك $100,000 المستشفى ما تكفي، لكنه اذا عندك انت التوب على مود 30 ولا $40، انت بالنسبه لك راح تكون بالسيف سايد. قد ما تكون المصاريف راح تندفع، يكون عندك دائما لازم انت تاخذ انشورنس، اخذ كفر مستشفى، كفر اكسيدنت، كفر كل شيء، حتى انت تكون مرتاح. هذا الشيء دائما بالنسبه لابناء جاليتنا في بعض الاحيان يعني يقتصد على $5 و$10 و$20 ويصرف في اماكن اخرى آلاف. لا، هذا اهم من كل القضايا، لانه حياتك مهمه. دائما ننصح وينصح المحامي جلال وكل واحد بروفيشنال ينصحك انه تاخذ التاب اللي بيه الكار اكسيدنت، اللي بيه المستشفى، اللي بيه المشاكل اللي راح تصير لك. يعني مو تقول انه فلان يسوي لي الانشورنس كذا، فلان يسوي لي، لا، انت اقرا البوليسي، شوف كل الشغلات، يلا ذاك الوقت انت تختار الانشورنس، ما تاثر عليه المبلغ. مو قضيه مبلغ كذا، مبلغ $10 $20 زايد، هذه مو مشكله، $30 زايد، لكنه انت بالسيف سايد. هذا اهم شيء. اعزائي مستمعينا الكرام، ابناء جاليتنا الحلوه، لانه هيك شيء مهم جدا 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 بالنسبه لكم، حتى تكونون دائما انتم بالسيف سايد.
Yeah.
I think this is a good issue, right?
Oh yeah, this is a major issue. it's very disappointing that the legislature passed this. Very disappointing. And it happened, the Republican legislature passed this, and the people, they don't know that there a part of the law, the no fault insurance law in Michigan.
Yes.
There's money that keeps getting accumulated into the account for people that have been injured and are in the hospital and might need long-term care. $15 billion. $15 billion is in the account, and that's for it goes toward anybody. It's for all of the people that are in the hospital because of auto injuries.
Yes.
And what's going to happen now because of this new law, because they think, they fooled the people. They said, look, we'll give you an option. You don't have to get the most expensive one. You have the option to get
all this money.
Yeah, you don't have to pay all this money. But you know what that means? That means the insurance company, they don't have to cover you the way that they used to. They don't have to cover you. And that $15 billion, you know where that now it's going to be, they're going to take it out. It's going to go all back to the insurance companies. They're going to get all that money back to them. That's not for them. That was supposed to be for us, people that if they got injured. Now, because of the new law, because they made things cheaper, like whatever, that $15 billion is going back to the big insurance companies. What a trick, what they did to the people of the state of Michigan.
That's great. You mentioned it good and you explain it good. طبعا يقول بالنسبه للمحامي بالنسبه لقضايا الانشورنس تعرفون اكو مبالغ اكو حوالي 15 بليون دولار موجوده هذه الكفر شغلات الانجريز الشغلات الحوادث هيك شغلات لكن الشركات الانشورنس من صارت هاي الشغله هم راح يستفادون هاي المبالغ كلها راح تروح لهم لانه اكو ناس ما دا يختارون ما دا يعرفون شو يختارون لانه دا يختارون الاقل لكن من تصير عنده حادثه ايش راح يسوي؟ راح ما عنده فلوس راح يطلع بانكرابسي. هذا الشيء اللي راح يصير يعني لانه الاخطر شيء بالنسبه للديون هي المستشفيات. المستشفى اذا يطلبك فلوس راسا يسوي يوديها كولكشن راسا يسوي راح تضطر انه تطلع بانكرابسي. فلهذا دائما اختاروا اعزائي اختاروا الانشورنس الزين اقرا البوليسي كل الزين حتى انت بالنسبه لك تكون انت بالسيف سايد بالنسبه لك تكون انت مرتاح حتى لا تخسر فلوسك لا تخسر حياتك. دائما ترى الماده لها تاثيرها الماده تحتاجها خصوصا بالوقت الحاضر. هي هذه الشغله راح يستفادون منها فقط شركات الانشورنس الكبيره مو يعني انت ولا اني ولا جلال ولا غيره لا اللي راح يستفاد شركات الانشورنس.
Yep, that's right. Yep, they knew what they were doing.
Yeah, time is passing, huh?
Yeah, time. Oh, wow. Okay, I can't believe it. Yeah, if anybody is, if anyone is listening, if you have any questions about criminal cases, immigration, personal injury, anything, because even if it's something that I don't know about, I know who to send you to that I trust, that I know they'll do a good job. It doesn't matter if you have if you want to call my office because you want a referral to a bankruptcy attorney, I know who to send you to because I trust them. I know the work that they do because I'm putting my name on it. So otherwise, if I didn't trust the lawyers or the law firms I was sending my listeners to, I would not send them there. I'm only sending you to the people that I trust, and I get good news back. I get good news back from them because when I send you to them, I'm going to call you. I'm going to call you and I'm going to ask you, how is it? How are they treating you? Are they taking care of you? Are they doing what they said they're going to do? I want to make sure my clients, when I send you to somebody, it's a good referral.
طبعا كلمة كلش حلوة قالها الأستاذ جلال. أي الشغلات اللي هو مثلا بانكرابسي مثلا أو شغلات أخرى مثلا شغلات اللي مو هو يسويها راح يدزك على محامين اللي كأنما هو المكتب مالته. من يدزك على واحد راح هو يتابع الشغلة مالتك يتابع يخابرك يقول لك ها شلون دا يعاملوك شلون دا يسوون فلان شيء حتى انت تكون بإيد أمينة، لأنه هو ثقة. المحامي جلال هو ثقة، سمعته مهمة جدا، فما يدزك إلا على محامي يكون نفس مستواه، نفس الأخلاق مالته، نفس الثقة. فلهذا إخواني تروحون أي شغلة عندكم مشكلة، حتى لو مهما كانت الاستشارة على أي موضوع يخص المحاماة، اتصلوا بالمحامي جلال دلو على 248-283-7000. 24 ساعة يجاوبوكم.
That's right.
دائما 24 ساعة. هذا الخط من تخابر رأسا خلال لحظات، رأسا يجاوبوك مباشرة، ويحولك على أي وقت حتى لو بنص الليل. 24/7 24 ساعة هذا التليفون شغال، ودائما هو في خدمة أبناء جاليتنا. last words.
Another great call, Sahar. You know, a very important topic came up. I look forward to being back on the show next week, listening, having our callers call in, and always wonderful seeing you, sir. Thank you.
حبيبي شكرا جزيلا, and I hope you the best. I hope you will go to the best place, best office.
Thank you. Yeah, well, it's going to be great. I can't wait for you.
I think you are happy.
I'm very happy, and I can't wait for you and all of our listeners when you come and see me. I can't wait for you to see it.
Yeah. We will. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
أعزائي المستمعين، كنا مع المحامي العزيز جلال دلو وبرنامجنا